Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset a forgotten Windows password, and this is the method on how to do it without using a Hiren's boot disk. My next video is going to include how to do it with a Hiren's boot disk, and I would actually recommend that you would try that first. But this method is more for if you don't have a Hiren's boot disk handy, or if you're having some kind of issue resetting the password with a Hiren's boot disk, then this is what you would use that for. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to drag my Hyper-V server with the Windows 7 VM in it. Okay, and I'm going to put that on full screen. All right, and we're going to do a restart. Now, as you see that coming up, just turn off the machine. And I'm doing it in a VM. In real life, you would just hold that power button until the machine turns off. And now I'm going to go ahead and start it back up. And we're going to launch a startup repair. All right. And this is going to run for a while, so I'm going to pause the video right here. And once we get to the next step, I'll go ahead and record from there. All right, and we're back. So the supposed startup repair completed, and you get this message. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the show problem details, and we're going to click on this link here. Okay, that pulls up a notepad, and then I'm going to do file and then open. Okay, and now we're going to browse to the System32 folder, and what we're actually going to do, we're going to take the file for the on-screen keyboard, and we're going to rename that, and we're going to find the file for command prompt, and we're going to name it the exact same thing as the on-screen keyboard. So we'll go to System32, and we're going to change the file type. We're going to change this to all files. As soon as this will let me change this to all files. And now I'm going to browse to the on-screen keyboard file. It's called osk.exe. All right, and I'm going to rename this to osk1. And you can see I've done this before just to test it out. And now I'm going to find the file for command prompt, cmd.exe. All right, so here we go here. And we're going to name this OSK. All right. And what this is going to do is when I open up the on-screen keyboard at the login screen, it'll pull up a command prompt instead. All right, and now we're going to reboot and click Finish. All right, and now I'm going to turn the machine back on. And we're going to go to the full screen just to make things look a little prettier. All right, and now we're going to pull up the on-screen keyboard, and we should get a command prompt now. Yep. Okay, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset this admin password from here. So I'm going to do net user admin, and I'll just fucking make it password, capital P. All right. And I'm in. Right. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you saw.